about mother's love towards her child through the poem My Song, written by Dr. Rabindranath Tagore. Mother is the pillar of strength in everyone's life. She is the one without whom our life is incomplete. It is not simply a word, but it is the whole universe in itself. She is the most important person in everybody's life. Now let's begin the poem. This song of mine will wind its music around you, my child, like the fond arms of love. This song of mine will touch your forehead like a kiss of blessing. Here, the mother wants to tell the child that her love is like a melodious song which will encircle its music around the child. The music is compared to mother's love, which will always protect and bless the child. When you are alone, it will sit by your side and whisper in your ear. When you are in the crowd, it will fence you about with aloofness. Mother speaks of how strong her love is, whether her child is alone or in the crowd. When the child is alone, the mother's song will drive away the feelings of loneliness from him or her. It will protect the child from crowd and loneliness so that the child can feel safe. My song will be like a pair of wings to your dreams. It will transport your heart to the verge of the unknown. The mother's song will motivate, encourage, and persuade the child to achieve his or her goals and lead the child to the right path. It will be like the faithful star overhead when dark night is over your road. When there will be darkness in the child's life or in his path, the mother's song will motivate him or her, will show him or her the right path, right direction, like the faithful star. My song will sit in the pupils of your eyes and will carry your sight into the heart of things. The mother's song will provide insight to her child and it will show him or her the right path, right direction, and help the child to discover and understand the important aspects of life. And when my voice is silent in death, my song will speak in your living heart. The mother says that even when she will not be present with the child, her teachings, her values, her blessings, her love will always be with the child. The mother's song shows her endless love and it will be there with the child through her life and death.